Meat protects against Alzheimer's disease, proven by scientists. People with a genetic predisposition to Alzheimer's disease can protect their brains by eating more meat, but not any meat. We are talking about carriers of the E4 variant of the APOE gene, the strongest known genetic risk factor for late-stage Alzheimer's disease. In Northern Europe and North America, people with E3-E4 and E4-E4 combinations account for almost 70% of all cases of this disease. However, the E4 variant has an interesting evolutionary history. This is the oldest form of the gene, which appeared millions of years ago when our ancestors switched to hunting and began to consume large amounts of meat. Later variants, E3 and E2, appeared already with the transition to agriculture and plant-based food. Scientists have suggested that an ancient variant of the gene may have been specifically tuned to a diet high in animal protein. To verify this, they analyzed data from 2,157 Stockholm residents over the age of 60 who were followed for up to 15 years. Participants filled out detailed nutrition questionnaires, donated blood for genotyping, and regularly underwent cognitive tests. The results of this study were absolutely impressive. In carriers of the risky E3-E4 and E4-E4 combinations, high meat consumption, about 870 grams per week, was associated with slower cognitive decline and better memory retention. In the group with the highest meat intake, genetic vulnerability actually disappeared. The rate of cognitive decline did not differ from that of people without risky gene variants. In contrast, E4 carriers who ate little meat faced a more than twofold increased risk of dementia. An important caveat: only unprocessed meat had a protective effect. Processed meat products, sausages, bacon, were not beneficial and worsened cognitive health regardless of the genotype. A lower proportion of processed meat in the diet was associated with a lower risk of dementia, regardless of the APOE variant, says co-author Garcia-Ptacek. In people without the E4 variant, there was no similar effect from meat, which indicates the individual nature of the relationship. Our data suggest that standard dietary recommendations may be unfavorable for a genetically defined subgroup of the population, says the study's lead author, Norgren. For those who know about their genetic predisposition, the results give hope. The risk can be modified through lifestyle changes. The authors emphasize that the work is observational in nature, and comprehensive clinical trials should be conducted to develop specific practical recommendations. Like and subscribe for more science insights.